Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to do baby face trend? Let us start. To do this trend, first go to Chrome and search baby face Capcut template. Click on the first website. You can get this website link on my description too. Here you will find 3 baby face Capcut template. You can use any. I am using the first template. Now click on Use Template in Capcut and wait for 60 seconds. If you're from India, you have to use VPN to make this work. You also need Capcut application. If you don't have Capcut application, download link is given in description. Now click on Use Template. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template and add yours one photo. Now click on Next. Now play and check your video. Now click on Export and then click on Export without watermark. Now after export, you are ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.